this out and see what's going on here today. How's that neck been holding together?
Very good.
Good. Doing your workouts?
No, actually.
Uh-oh.
I stopped. I figured out that just doing work around the house works better than that.
Yeah, that's true. That'll keep you busy.
Oh, yeah.
Turn this side up for me, buddy. Go over in your back. All right, very good. You're healthier now.